Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what we confidently call the best vintage pocket watch mechanical wind currently available, the LYMFHCH Vintage Pocket Watch. Whether you're gifting it for Christmas, a graduation, birthday, or Father's Day, this pocket watch blends old-world elegance with modern reliability, and we're going to dive into exactly why it's a top seller. Let's begin with the first impression. The LYMFHCH pocket watch has a classic silver finish and is heavily engraved on both the front and back with beautifully intricate vintage patterns. It's the kind of design that instantly draws attention. It doesn't scream for it, but rather, commands it with elegance. You don't get that over-the-top shiny look. Instead, it's classy, understated, and timeless. Roman numeral markings on the dial enhance its vintage vibe, giving it a sophisticated, Old English feel. Now, in terms of build and functionality, this is a quartz pocket watch. That means no winding is required like a traditional mechanical watch. It's battery-powered, but still has the design of a mechanical windpiece, which is why it appeals to those who love the aesthetics of old-school timepieces but want the convenience of modern tech. It's very easy to operate. To open the front plate, simply press the crown. To set the time, you just pull the crown slightly out and turn it clockwise. That's it. Let's talk size. The watch face has a diameter of about 4.6 centimeters, roughly 1.8 inches, so it's compact and fits perfectly in your hand or pocket. It comes with a detachable chain that's around 14.57 inches long, giving you enough length to clip it securely to your trousers, vest, or bag strap. The hook is sturdy, and the chain matches the style of the watch, completing the vintage look. One of the coolest things is how it feels when you hold it. It's got just the right amount of weight, not too heavy, not too light, giving it that quality-built feel. And while the photos online are decent, in person, it genuinely looks even better. The brand even admits that their photography doesn't do justice to the refinement of the actual product. This watch doesn't just tell time, it tells a story. It's great for themed events, cosplay, or even just to add a unique flair to your everyday style. But more than anything, it's a meaningful gift. Whether you're gifting it to a father, a friend graduating college, or simply as a classy holiday present, it hits the sweet spot between affordability and sentimental value. Now, in terms of price, this thing is shockingly budget-friendly. It starts at around $10 depending on the option you choose. And you're getting something that looks and feels far more expensive than what you're paying. It even comes with a necklace-style chain so you can wear it around your neck if you prefer. That versatility just adds to the charm. To wrap this up, if you're on the hunt for a classic accessory that blends elegance, function, and nostalgic appeal, the LYMFHCH Vintage Pocket Watch is a fantastic choice. It's no wonder it's the #1 bestseller in men's pocket watches right now. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more vintage gems like this one, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and keep your time timeless.